So this is the before fitting in. This is the pan, and that's what I was saying. So these are two magnets, one magnet here and one magnet there. So hopefully you can see it, but there is a little bit of a sludge, but it's not really that much. It doesn't stick out hugely. So I have to. You can move these magnets and clean them up, but they're not. It's only a little bit of a. A little bit of a sludge, not really sticking out huge pieces of metal flakes, so that's actually a good sign. So then I'll wash the magnets and I'll wash the whole thing. I have a new gasket to fit in. Magnets, I'll take that one out. It's in the middle there, it's in the middle between the two. And then I'll wash them under the tap with dishwashing liquid. So I cleaned that extremely well. It's a little bit rusty, mine at the bottom. I could have sprayed it, but I need to strip everything off really well in order to paint it maybe next time when I'm replacing the oil, because I can just take this off, clean the magnets off. Next time I'm replacing the oil, because I'll probably replace the oil in another 20,000 miles. So this is really clean. The two magnets are very clean as well. I need to blast them off with my device to clear them from sand and dust. Next thing, the very clean is the whistle cover, and I blasted it off. And let's see if that fits well. It should fit. Let's see. One bolt used to center it. Pre-tighten them a little bit. And then tighten them to 10. Tighten these bolts, 4 bolts, to 10 Newton meters. But I'll go around with the mirror just everywhere, see if that's fitting up alright, just in case. I'll really do that just to make sure everything fits alright. Everything looks fitting alright. And final torquing, 10 Newton meters for these bolts. Now I can remove all the foil from everywhere. And what I wanna do, because the oil drips from the bottom of the gearbox, to clean it underneath with brake cleaner fluid. I'll clean everything underneath with brake cleaner fluid. For that particular reason, I need to raise the car from one side in order to clean it, otherwise I can't really reach and see anything there. Next thing is to clean up all of this with brake cleaner fluid. Because when you open it, it drips underneath on the oil pressure sensor, and so I need to clean it, and I can't film it because, well, it will spray on my camera everywhere. So next thing is cleaning that. So that's now clean. Well, kind of clean, because I'll have to level the oil, so I have to open that one again. Next is to undo the plug, level or the bottom drain plug, either way. Undo it. I have to change the gasket as well. I'll show what these are, and then the plug inside. Oh, still gathered a little bit of oil in the drip quite a bit as well. So this is from kind of the gearbox standing and gathering fluid there, and I've tilted it because I've lifted the car from the front left, so it's, well, another 100-200 milliliters or so. So I'll leave it this to actually drain as much as it can. Next is the bolt here with the bracket, and I've screwed it in there so I don't misplace the bolts. I might as well grease it up a little bit, move the pipe in its place, put the bracket over like that. I think it was. Maybe I think it was like that. Exactly like that. It was there. Put the bolt in. That should be enough. As long as this doesn't really move too much, that's good enough. That should be good enough. Next, that bracket that holds here for the cooler of the gearbox. That has nowhere to go. Can also do that bracket in. Good stuff that I kept the bolts where they are, not to look for them. And this should just slide in on there. There we go. And screw it back in.